Training, payment, invoice section. To take payment, invoice and credit notes must be confirmed. We're going to search for open one and change status. We're going to change in batch 11 here. Confirm. When you edit an invoice, you have a payment section, but this must not be used after initial setup. Same thing with the function in batch, mark as paid, mark as unpaid, not after initial setup. To enter a payment, add a payment, company code. We select the invoices. We enter the payment amount and apply to the older invoice. And we enter the reference of the payment. We can enter a payment line by line, selecting the invoice and editing payment and discount, removing like 14 cents here. Update. Payment amount. When we print account statement, we can include interest, penalty. Penalty are defined into list, invoice, penalty policy, and we define the amount and after how many days after due date. It is put into customer record default. Then when we take a payment and discount is valid, it will appear automatically. When we are entering a payment that is exceeding invoice and credit notes, I will be creating an overpayment, but to do so, I need to acknowledge. Overpayment can be used against invoices, or like here, we can reimburse it. To search payment, first you search invoice and payment. You can sort by date, number. You can search for a specific customer, payment, and you have the payment for this customer. We can search for a specific payment number into all fields.